first step in the process is I cut a bunch of cubes of wood that I'm going to use, mark out centers, as I'm doing here. This one I sanded a little bit. Sometimes your boards aren't always flat. I don't have a thickness sander or a planer, so I do what I can. I take the compass and I mark out circles. I go to the bandsaw, cut out the corners. This isn't totally necessary, but I do it. It's just less work on the lathe, chipping off all those square edges. The time it takes, I take you just as long on the lathe to knock these things around. Once they're sanded, I drill out the centers. These are all going to be stacked like a stack of pancakes. Make different parts of the body of the stave bird feeder, or the birdhouse. This is a birdhouse. Now glue the pieces. I use that Allen wrench, which is about the same size as the hole. Right now I'm looking at making up a jig for putting these pieces together. Whenever you're doing segments, you press things and hold it for a few seconds and they kind of stick in place. Now getting the clamps on, this is where it can be fun. There we go, one piece is glued, set aside. Usually I let them sit overnight, but I know I've seen others on YouTube say they were gluing pieces like this before you put them on the lathe, leave them for up to 20 minutes, half an hour. Usually the glue is set enough that you can do it, but hey, this takes time. I'm in no hurry. Here at the beginning, again, I've left a band on the body of the lamp. Stave design, keep it from blowing apart while I sandwiched on the lathe here by 2 blocks of wood. And I started to shape it. I remove the band so I can finish shaping in the middle. I left a bit of a convex shape to this body part. This is where I'm going to drill a hole and the perch will go and the little birdies will be inside it. 4-inch piece tall. Now some sanding. I didn't show all the sanding, but I sanded right up to 400 degree. I'm adding some shine juice to seal and finish it off. And I decided to work on the finials. This is going to be actually the perch of the little birds. This will go right under the door for them to enter. And when they have the young one, they're ready to fly, climb out and perch on. I designed these houses mainly for the small warblers and wrens. Small enough that the sparrows ignore them. They get the chickadees and the finches and the wrens. Like them. Not going to raise a family. I figure if we've got the skills and the equipment and the lathe, why not make them look as pretty as we can. Definitely adds to the look of the garden. So I've shined it up, all set it aside until I'm ready to glue it in place. I've left a little tenon on the end there, as you can see, where I'll drill a hole. I'll actually put some glue on that and shove it in. Cut them off with a bandsaw, flush with the wood. And this one, I didn't turn on the camera, being kind of new at this, and you didn't get to see me shaping it, but it was basically, and this is going to be the finial on the bottom of the birdhouse. This was actually made by some wood that was given to me by my neighbour. She gave me a few pieces, little pieces, and said, "Can you do anything with these?" And I thought, "Oh yeah, I can do something with them." So I cut them and I glued them and made them into a piece that I could make a long finial of it. It's actually some boards from, well, they were tongue and glue boards. It's fir, I believe. It's a nice hard wood. And this was a little rope piece I made for the top. And again, I didn't show the shaping it here. It was all shined up and ready to go. That will be glued in the top of the birdhouse for a rope or a wire to go through to hang it. Now this is the bottom, I believe. Just putting a mortise in there that the body of the birdhouse will fit into, and I can glue it in place. Now shape it. Do a lot of the main shaping while my tenon is in the jaws that I glued together. And I will flip it around and put it on the mortise, but I tend to find, let's see, it gets a little thin when I shape it, the mortise that I put in there. Isn't always the strongest, so try to get most of my shaping done so there's not a lot of stress put on it. Yes, this is the top, and I believe I'll sand it again. Start with 80 grit, get it all smoothed out, get the tool marks a little bit. It's fairly easy since it's mainly skid wood and softer wood. There I've sealed it up, now I'm just putting the final shine juice on. Turned up the speed, shining it up. Most pieces I usually do 2 to 3 seal coats, and then the same with the shine. Or 3 coats of shine juice, 2 or 3 coats, depending on how it looks. This is the bottom of the birdhouse. Check to see if the body fits in that mortise. I'll smooth off. Taper the bottom of this one a little bit. The birds going to build their nest. It's already concave. I used a bit of cedar on this. I picked up some cedar boards a little while ago. It's quite soft and easy to work with. Looks pretty pretty when it's shined up too. So that long finial hanging on. Sadly, my battery life on my camera is limited, so that's why I didn't put all the shaping and lading in. And with this PC, when I run out of battery life before you get a chance to see me put all the pieces together on the lathe and glue them. That is how I joined it. I put it all together and squeeze it between the tailstock and the headstock. Leave it overnight while the glue dries. But here you'll see me sand, and it's sealed up here. Now I'm adding the shine juice and the camera runs out. And the camera ran out there. But here's the birdhouse all put together. A little video of the shots. I said the long finial along the bottom, the fancy little perch. This will be going over to my neighbours. There's that little corpse that we branded. There's the cool thing here. I took some string and I braided it and put it through there for the time being. Take some of these. There's that bottom finial that I made with her pieces of wood she gave me. If you're interested in contacting me, in the description below I will put my email. I do not have an Etsy store or any kind of a store. I do post things on Facebook and try to sell them, but if you contact me by email and you're interested in me making something or purchasing one of my already done items, just send me an email.